Hi everybody, I'm Chris, and this is part 17 of Breakthrough Chinese Pronunciation from fluentinmandarin.com, the video series that helps you to tune up your Mandarin Chinese pronunciation and tones. Remember that as well as the tone marks on top of these letters, I'm also using colors to designate the 4 tones. Here's a reminder of the color scheme that I'm using. Now, the last couple of videos have been a bit difficult, and this is the last of the really difficult sounds in Chinese. In this video, we're going to be looking at the X sound in pinyin. It's really a sound which doesn't exist in English at all. It's a little bit like the SH sound in English, but again, the position of your tongue in your mouth is completely different. When you say the X sound in pinyin, the tip of your tongue stays in the middle of your mouth at the front, behind your teeth, almost touching your teeth. And the bit of your tongue behind the tip is curved and presses up against the top of your mouth at the front. So this gives the X sound a softer and less harsh sound than the SH sound in English. And for this sound, you're probably not going to move your tongue. You're just going to be passing air across it. In this video, we're also going to be looking at the SH sound in pinyin. Okay, let's try practicing this X sound in pinyin and then compare and contrast it with the SH sound.
西方
Okay, this word is pronounced with 2 first tones, and it means west or the west. Then we can compare this XI sound with this SHI sound. And we had this in one of the previous videos. I mentioned that it was a bit like saying shirt with an American accent, but cutting it off before you get to the R sound. That's the first syllable, and it's in the 4th tone. The second syllable is unstressed.
事情夏天
This is pronounced with a 4th tone, then a 1st tone. It means summer.
鞋子
If you remember, this IE sound is an E plus an air. This word is pronounced with a 2nd tone, and the 2nd syllable is unstressed. This means shoes.
鞋子xiaorong
This means smile.
休息
This is a verb, and it means to rest or to take a rest.
先生
Once again, the first syllable is in the 1st tone, and the 2nd syllable is unstressed. This word means Mr. or Sir.
香港
This word is pronounced with a 1st tone and then a 4th tone. It means Hong Kong, and this is how you say it in Mandarin.
辛苦
This word is pronounced with a 1st tone, then a 3rd tone, and it means hard work or hard working.
星星
These 2 syllables are the same. The first one is in the 1st tone, and the second one is unstressed. This word means a star.
熊猫
Another really useful word if you're learning Chinese. The first syllable is in the 2nd tone, and the 2nd syllable is in the 1st tone. This means panda.
熊猫
Whenever the X in pinyin is followed by a U, the U is pronounced as the 2nd type of U sound, which I talked about, like the U in French. So it's U, not U.
需要
This means to need. Okay, now let's compare this with the SHU sound. And the U is similar to an OO sound in English.
艺术
Try saying this word again. It means art.
艺术学习
So this word has 2 X sounds in it. And if you remember, this UE sound is pronounced U plus E.
学习
Let's contrast this with the SHUI sound. Try saying this word. It's pronounced in the 3rd tone.
水
And this UI sound is like an U plus an A.
水选择
This is pronounced with a 3rd tone, then a 2nd tone. This means to choose. Now let's change this X at the beginning of the word for an SH and see how it compares. Try saying this word.
消火栓咨询
This word is pronounced with a 1st tone, then a 2nd tone. It means to inquire.
顺利
This word means smooth or without a hitch.
顺利
Okay, don't stop watching just yet because I've got something really special for you. The tones are a really important part of Chinese, so I've put together a 5-minute Chinese tones trainer, including an ebook and MP3 audio that will help you practice recognizing the tones in Mandarin, in words and in sentences, and you can get it absolutely free. Just click on the link on the screen right now or in the description below this video to sign up, then confirm your email address and I'll send the trainer out to you. Thanks for checking out this video and see you very soon.